Kari India kan thup ye jela Meghalaya hagsi sajan jong to yo kelas dang ye jing IT ka ya da COVID-19 shakinong tre jong ko kya bat ki frontline workers ki badan da ki klur tam ha ka ri brakoi kum ka jing sedang ya ka benta ka benengkong ha ka jing le persha ya ka ni ka klam ka balasim jendat ye bun ki jing embryo
Yakni kejeng ITK menyadana ke kelam COVID-19 kari India berokawai lapli du menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi bad hadian kani ala sedang ya kejeng ITK ikinong tray ketenar kakot kakya hakeleng kejela jong kari India. Ha kejela Meghalaya ala sedang ya kejeng ITK haki kendai teli ke distrik kejela haki shipau teli ke jaka ajeng Sumar. Ha kebah keladon praspa laipu arngut ke balai otika hakani ke seni sedang jong kejeng ITK ikinong tray ketenar kakot kakya. Menteri rang bak kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat kejing don langki hek ketenat kokoi kakya ulalit benpet kejing ITK Hanegrims bad hakani kaja ke Sumar keladon cis pak ngut ke balayo ketika Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagani kejing ITK kadi kesenjam ke babaha bani kun persya ya kani ke klam ke belakta kejing im jogi breu bad ke yok kokot jong kari berokowai Ulong bagadai kesingi keban sakan mau bat kesingi keban sengau sarong ba onla bani kun persya kani ke klam bat ke bakam sengau sarong kalong bai kadawai tika lasnahi hagari India Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong baya kawat ke benengkong hagajeng ITK kinong tray ketenat kokot kakya an pendap bapok kalai ne sau tayo bat kini kan hak ban ai tika biang sasisian hadian arpu prasngi Ulong tang na kejeng ITK kampat mud bagani ke klam kan do jat no ndai kejeng ai ketika kandang yai beteng namar om patla ban aya baro akajuk kepor Ulu kentu bo om dei ban kensting ndai dei ban beteng ban bot gi kendon ke bala betha da ketenat kokot kakya banya dan na kejeng pang COVID-19
Shua bangan shim ya kene ka vaccination pe dang ning kong mo men shisngi men arsngi ha bang yo snow bang kin launch ha ka si junga ngadon hi ka jing snow konyo khandiat nama la ka de ka jing ka inject ka batmai tambah wat la ka taru kum ka medical person pa de ngala thau bat ngala snap thu ban ong ka jing men toy ka jong ka bat ka jing ma ka jong ka kan ka ba de ka ba kham khia kum bang jule iki medical decisions jungi di bad bangin la yale persya ya kani ka jingpang ru la baharo sisnem hi mentala long kum sisnem hi di nila ya lut bat bor mensim ru di kani ka small thu ba kani ka jingwan jong kani ka vaksin ka long hi kum ka jing job yang ni bangin lo pada ya kan latnya da katawan mentang di nak kata ka daw hi bangarai ban pediang ya kani ka vaksin mentang sni di bakade ha si la jong dengan lasim ban long maning kong kenang saya isra pi jongaru kiba dang artatin di kenang bakiru kini ida kanuksa ba ngakum kanong yalam ru nga shimya kani di kani ru ka kadai ka jing smo jonga ba ni dei hi biang namar ba ya ka persya kani jing pang don dawai ban Sumar di kadai hi ka jing yada hi lemba ka vaksin ka ba nila ban kham smo shngan
ba Charleston pidai wai ni ki baning kong do Ang ni hapok negeri provinsi Miu tika COVID-19. Pila man batai kendiat kai ka jisong gujung pi hadin ba pila ayo kan ka tika.
Man ong bangan ko gawai ki jisong ta ngamdan ra nga song tenat bang song komen. Bang don hakamet ko ko bakia bat ngala bang simenta ya kan ka ba. Ya kan ka dawai ka popoi menta nakabenta ka ba la penting ya baro kibrio ki bala sa ane pertai. Kibrio ki bala im ne pertai bakila tiang baro sikata nam ta jong ni COVID. Tengah ngalong uta uwe sia ubreu bang alayo alat bang ni sim mentalang ya kanikaban ayu ne udawai ngalong si sia bakamen but hadin bang la sim yo tu injection ro ngamdan ka jing song pher ngayat ngayeng ngadi ngabam kum bang julong tolong song komen bang alayo bentai ya kani but hakajuk opor barok sikata ngiladon pedeng ka jing ka ba por badan li ko lockdown ngim yo ban le chiyeng ro ngisa ba chane ngim yo ban ni kendu ik bahieng basam ngim yo ban ni lang kum bakilong ki wei ki pej ba Tementa pat ngadap dak jing kemen ba ngila yo yo uneu vaksin mau baki ong uneu dawai te ngadap si dak jing kemen ka bang la yo uneu dawai te ngapediang dak jing songha bat ngong ru ye ki wei ki bompat yo la ne ki bompat sim yo uneu dawai wat nam ye tiang wat nam yo kuslai pide ban pediang yo uneu ue uba kila penbit penbiang nagamta ka jing ko jong khia jongi hi baro
And today this vaccine rollout is a very, very positive step towards fight against COVID-19. We have been fighting COVID-19 in many ways, but this vaccination program and the rolling out of this is a historic day, a day to be proud, and a day for citizens of this nation and the world as a whole to feel confident that we will be able to overcome this very soon. The vaccination program will take time to complete. Everybody cannot get vaccinated in the same time. And maybe this program will continue for 6 months, 8 months, maybe a year and even more. So therefore, I request and urge all the citizens of Meghalaya that we should not take it lightly. We should continue to follow all the norms and the precautions and the guidance that has been given by the Health Department and the Government of India and Government of Meghalaya. This have been tried in different phases, and the scientific community has done a very thorough work in this. And of course, we should remember that every vaccine has reactions in 1 or 2 individuals, and that's the reason why they do those small tests for allergy and all these kind of things. So basic reaction may be there in certain individuals, 1 out of 100 or 1 out of 1,000 people will have, but majority of the cases you will not find any kind of adverse kind of symptoms out here. But immunization is, in every immunization, not just the COVID-19, but other injections also, individuals have reactions. So therefore, it's nothing to worry. This has been tested properly, and everybody should be confident and very happy, in fact, and feel privileged that Government of India has done this. And I'm sure that this will go a long, long way in helping us fight COVID-19.
Nagaliang Director ke Negrims Dr. P. Bhattacharya ubalayo ketika peneda nagajing pang COVID-19. Habai keren biginong patai kubor ulong bagajing misha khamat ki doktor banchim mekani ketika kedai namar bagletip syai bakamdan setia kanu kejing ma. Bat kani kejing yotika kamde setia ru kanu kakam shlur. Kabakilale anrei kadi kejing yo jing mentoy. Bat ulong ru bakipat ba kemde bansyap tiang banyo ketika namar kalong kebasingan bah. Hagani kejeng aitika uba Charleston Susngi udah ubaningkong banyo ketika kum unong tre jongan negrims berulah penpawe kejeng kemen banyo ketika banya daya la dia nak COVID-19.
So they are all coming to benefit from this. You can understand they were all worried, they were all tense, every day coming to the hospital, working and then going back home to their families. So this will give them the it is in one way a reward, and in one way it is going to give the confidence to them to work better and be safe to their families. It is an emergency and you need to use. We will not have the luxury of 1 year waiting. If somebody feels he wants to wait for 1 year, 2 years, he will come because he can also get the COVID in that period. His chance of getting COVID is more than the chance of his getting a reaction. Let us be very clear. The chance of somebody getting a COVID without taking a vaccination is going to be more than his getting a reaction out of a vaccination. So we must be very clear on these things. And our medical superintendent, myself, our other deputy medical superintendents, nursing superintendents, we have come forward to take the vaccine at the outset, because if the social media induced misconception persists, then the whole process is going to be unfairly damaged. And we are doctors, we are nurses, we are aware of what is happening, we have access to resources which tell us whether it is safe or not. When we come forward to take it, you must understand that it is safe.